yeah. Different vision, different pace, different lessons, different space. I'm not broken, I'm becoming. They call me different, they call me deep. The one who questions, the one who can't sleep. Rooms I love left me out. That silence showed what I'm about. I stopped waiting for their place, stopped shrinking to fit their space. Now the only home I need is my truth inside of me. I turn inward, and it clears. I turn inward, losing fears. I'm not the black sheep, I'm the blueprint. I go forward, they stay stagnant. I'm not the outcast, I'm aligned. I see things they can't find. I'm not behind, I'm ahead, rewriting what they said. I chased their love like open hands, but losing me was not the plan. So I planted different roots, build my peace, build my truth. I don't beg to be seen if they stay in old routines. My heart's open but I choose me. Some stay close, some must leave. I turn inward to repair. I turn inward nowhere. I'm not the black sheep, I'm the first light.